A firm manages a hybrid environment featuring on-premises systems and AWS resources, including Amazon DynamoDB and Amazon S3. Previously, the on-premises servers accessed these AWS services via a Bastion host in a public VPC subnet, utilizing SSH keys stored locally. The company is decommissioning all Bastion hosts to comply with new security mandates and now requires all external system access to utilize certificate-based authentication. Which approach addresses these requirements?
IT instructor explaining a certification exam question to students. Reads the question and explains the correct answer. Clear, professional, educational. Option A. Establish an AWS Direct Connect link combined with a VPN to a VPC featuring VPC endpoints for the relevant services. Option B. Configure the on-premises systems to utilize AWS IAM roles anywhere for authentication purposes. Option C. Deploy AWS Private Certificate Authority to distribute SSL certificates to on-premises systems for AWS service access. Option D. Generate an IAM user authorized to request temporary credentials for an IAM role to access the necessary AWS services.
This scenario explores the challenge of bridging on-premises identity and access management with cloud resources. Specifically, we're looking for a way to phase out traditional, less secure access methods like Bastion hosts and SSH keys. The core requirement is to shift towards certificate-based authentication, ensuring that workloads residing outside of the cloud can securely and programmatically interface with AWS services without relying on stored, long-term secrets. In my view, the correct answer is option B. Configure the on-premises systems to utilize AWS IAM roles anywhere for authentication purposes. This service is specifically built for this purpose. It allows workloads running outside of AWS to obtain temporary credentials by using X5.09 certificates as the authentication mechanism. This directly satisfies the mandate to move to certificate-based authentication while enabling the retirement of Bastion hosts.
Regarding the other choices, Option A provides connectivity, but it does not offer the authentication mechanism requested. Option C helps with issuing certificates, but fails to provide the necessary integration with IAM to authorize resource access. Finally, Option D relies on long-term IAM user credentials, which contradicts the shift towards certificate-based security. A key exam tip here is to recognize when a service is specifically designed for hybrid identity, like roles anywhere.